Hello, children. Welcome once again in our English lecture. Today we are going to study English grammar topic number 1, kinds of sentences. So let's begin. So let's take the kinds of sentence. Before we start the how many kinds of sentence, first tell me some questions answer. What are letters? What is meant by letters, words and sentence? When you know this, we can go the further. What are letters? Yes, letters means alphabets. There are 26 letters. You know A to Z, capital and small letters. So that is a letters. When letters comes together, means group of letters make the words. For example, here given rain, temple, all these letters comes together. It makes a group. Then it becomes a words. Same way, when group of words comes together, arranged together to make a complete sense, that is known as a sentence. So letters means alphabets. 26 alphabets are there. In that 5 vowels and 21 consonants. Words means group of letters make the words. And group of words make a complete sense of a sentence. Example given. This is a boy. Today is Friday. All these are the sentence with subject, verb and object. So this is a sentence. Now, in generally, we are talking various kinds of sentence. So that only various kinds of sentence we are going to study in this lecture. So let's begin. There are 4 kinds of sentences. Just now I told we are talking in a various kinds of sentence. That sentences only have the various names, various kinds, how it is. So here we are going to study 4 kinds of sentence mainly. First is declarative, second interrogative, third exclamatory, and the fourth is imperative. So let's take the first declarative sentence. What is meant by declarative sentence? A sentence that states a fact or declares something is called a declarative sentence. It means, simple way I am telling you that, a sentence with a complete sense, with a proper statement. In a sentence, there will be subject, verb and object. It is called a declarative sentence. And declarative sentence begins with the capital letter and ends with full stop. Simple sentence with subject, verb and object. It is known as declarative sentence. Understood everyone? Declarative sentence is also known as assertive sentence. ASSERTIVE. You can speak either assertive or declarative. So declarative sentence means simple statement. A sentence has a statement. Here various examples given. Riya likes to eat cake. Manas is a kind boy. Rahul is a good sportsman. He is obedient child. All this is a simple statement. See here. Riya what likes to eat cake. Simple sentence. Regularly you are speaking that simple sentence with full stop. Begin with capital letter and end with full stop. And sentence has a complete sense. It is known as declarative sentence. Next second is interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. First, declarative sentence means sentence has a statement and with full stop. That type sentence is known as declarative sentence. Interrogative sentence means simple, you have to remember question mark, question type sentence. Various types of sentence we are talking. If you want to know the time, what you will ask somebody, if you not have any watch or something, then you want to know the time. Then you will ask, excuse me, what's the time? When do you get up? So various types of questions you can ask. That question type sentence is known as a interrogative sentence, and this sentence ends with a question mark. Declarative sentence ends with a full stop. Interrogative sentence means question mark. Sentence should have a question mark, and what, where, how, when, whom, is, does, do, etc. begins with this type of sentence. Here examples given. Does he like games? Is he a good boy? What do you want? What's your name? When do you get up early in the morning? Do you like to go to school? Do you like to study? Like this, yes or no type questions, complete sentence questions. So it is known as interrogative sentence. Understood everyone? So what is the definition? A sentence ask the question is called an interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence, how you understood? There will be question mark and it is asking by question only. It is known as interrogative sentence. Next is imperative sentence, either imperative or exclamatory, any sentence. Now let's take the third, imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? Imperative sentence means a sentence has order, request, command, or give some instructions. It is known as a imperative sentence. This sentence ends with full stop only, but declarative sentence is a very simple subject plus verb plus object, like that sentence. Statement, their declare statement. But imperative sentence with full stop only, but sentence meaning should be different. See, there should be order, request, instructions, like that way. Example given. Open the door. Please don't cry. Turn right from here. Finish your work immediately. Means if we open the door, that time we will request, or we will not give order, request. Please don't cry. Isn't it? We will tell politely. Turn right from here. It's order. Finish your work immediately. We will give the instruction. Teacher is giving, parents are giving, this way. So each and every sentence has a different type. That's why there is a kinds of sentence. Declarative sentence, only statements are there. Simple sentence. But imperative sentence, there should be, while reading only you can come to know. Yes, it's a order, request, command, advice, instruction type sentences. So it is known as a imperative sentence. If you will solve more and more sentences with these various kinds of sentence, you can easily come to know. So declarative sentence means statement. Interrogative sentence means question type sentence. Imperative sentence means a sentence with order, request, command, advice, instructions, etc. It is known as a imperative sentence. Next is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence ends with exclamation mark. Now there is a various marks, full stop, question mark, columns, various are there. So this is an exclamation mark. See there, I written there by red pen. So that is an exclamation mark. With exclamation mark, a sentence is there, then it is known as a exclamatory sentence. This type of sentence shows feeling happy or sad. If you want to speak in a happy moment, any sentence, or any sad moment, any sentence, so that sentence is known as a exclamatory sentence. For example, here given, first, how sad, I lost my new pen. If you lost anything, there which type of feeling you can show? Happy or sad? Yes, some sad. So you will speak how sad, then exclamation mark will be there. Hooray, tomorrow will be a holiday. This is a happy feeling. So hooray, after that exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is coming. Another type of sentence also there. What a pretty flower. If you like flower and your emotions comes out, you want to express, then how you will say, what a pretty flower. One more sentence given. Alas, he is dead. This is sad emotion. So there are two types of sentence. More type of sentence means in exclamatory sentence only there has a variation. Sentence. Two types are there. You can say what a pretty flower, how a beautiful girl, or how sad, hooray, like this sentence also there, and this type of here. So two types of sentence I given. So this is known as exclamatory sentence. Understood? So four kinds of sentence. Again I am repeating. First is declarative. Declarative sentence is also known as assertive sentence. Simple way you have to remember, declarative sentence means statement. A sentence has a statement. A sentence begins with capital letter, ends with full stop. Simple sentence with subject, verb and object. Second is interrogative sentence. A sentence with question type. Question type and it ends with question mark. That is known as interrogative sentence. Next is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence has order, request, command, advice, etc. When you speak angrily, when you speak politely, when you give order, instructions, request, that type sentences where whatever you are using, that is known as imperative sentence. And an imperative sentence ends with full stop. Fourth number, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence ends with exclamation mark. Exclamation marks I shown here. Exclamation sentence means a sentence expresses feeling of happy or sad. If you are happy, that time your sentence speaking is different. If you are sad, that time also your sentence speaking is different. So all these are four kinds of sentence. Let's take the textbook exercise. Answers are given here. Page number 2, exercise number 1. Page number 3, exercise number 2. Only these two exercises are there. You have to solve in textbook as well as in notebook grammar section. All the definitions of the kinds of sentences you have to write in your notebook. Thank you.